Hadi gel. Gel Charlot.
Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you gon' wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll put it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you gon' wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
yerim. Ver onu bana. Sen onu bana ver. Sen onu bana ver. Sen onu bana ver. Gel. Tamam, git kızım git. Tamam git. Felix. 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 Hı. Onu ver bana. Bak şimdi sen onu niye attın sen? Sen onu niye attın sen? Sen onu niye attın sen? Heh. Felix. Kızım. Felix. Isırma. Sen ısırma. Sen ısırma bakayım. Sen ısırma. Sen ısırma. Gel, gel, gel. Hadi gel. Heh. Felix. Kızım. Felix. Bak. Ah. Ay, kişi. Felix. Hadi. Hadi. Gitmek yok. Gitmek yok ama. Charlot. Hadi gel. Hadi çözeyim. Hadi gel. Hadi çöz. Hadi gel. Hadi gel. Hadi gel. Hayır koparma. Hadi koparma. Uçma ama. Bak şimdi. Hayır Charlot. Bak şimdi nereye gel. Hayır koparma. Hayır. No. Ne Charlot? Hayır Charlot. Hayır olmaz. Hayır yapamazsın. Kemirme kabloyu. Bak şimdi. Bağlamasa böyle bütün kablolar kemiriyor. Telefonu kemiriyor. Bir sürü zarar veriyor. Hayır Charlie, hayır. Bak şimdi. Al. Hayır. Hayır Charlie. Gel. Gel. Çıkma. Buraya çık. Ha. Hadi bakayım. Hadi yap bakayım. Yap. Hadi. Hadi bir daha yap. Hadi bir daha yap. Hadi bir daha yap. Hadi bir daha yap. Evet. Evet, sonuna geldik. Abone olunuz s'il vous plaît. Merci beaucoup. À bientôt.